This is the preview video for Liftoff to Learning, First Grade Differentiated Reading Kit. The First Grade Differentiated Reading Kit is designed to build reading fluency and vocabulary while celebrating the contributions of African Americans to space science. This preview video outlines the benefits of the First Grade Differentiated Reading Kit, which includes foundational literacy skills for long-term success, emphasis on diversity and inclusion, enhanced comprehension and critical thinking, focus on word recognition in context. Overall, the kit aims to develop confident, thoughtful readers. Our differentiated literacy support enriches young learners' reading by offering engaging reading passages suited to diverse interests and levels, emphasis on spelling and phonics for vocabulary and comprehension, interactive activities that build literacy skills and foster critical thinking. These elements collectively establish a solid literacy foundation for young readers. This resource is Common Core aligned. Aligning with standards ensures quality and relevance in literacy instruction. This resource uses effective phonics strategies such as Dolch and Fry sight words, lists of common words that form a reading foundation, supported by interactive activities and flashcards. Elkonin boxes, a visual tool for practicing phoneme segmentation and manipulation, enhancing hands-on learning and word recognition. Spelling and vocabulary lists, tailored resources to strengthen literacy skills. This resource integrates vocabulary for young learners with kid-friendly words and definitions. Additional materials that bring this resource together include parent-teacher reading passages, spelling and vocabulary copies and reading response rubric for assessment, as well as a student reading response graphic organizer. Here's how to use this resource. First, go over the reading passages page with your student highlighting the spelling words, vocabulary words and comprehension questions. Second, have them read the passage while you complete a reading assessment and answer the comprehension questions. Depending on their score, if they do well, have them try to complete the graphic organizer. Next, proceed to the spelling and phonics worksheet and work with individual phoneme sounds by utilizing the Elkonin boxes and practice writing words on the handwriting lines. Move on to spelling and vocabulary. Have your students fill in the missing letter sounds. Below, read the vocabulary word and have them draw a line to the matching definition. Afterwards, try the reading passage again and perform another assessment just to see how they did. If they were unable to complete the graphic organizer, see if they can complete it now. Here's a breakdown of what you get with your download. Also, here are 5 key points for educators to consider. Here's a list of the iconic space heroes students will learn about. Finally, here is an overall view of the benefits of this download. Thank you for watching. You can find this and other similar resources at www.literacymobility.com. Download today, teach today, and as always, happy homeschooling, happy tutoring, and happy teaching.